Welcome back to Auto Garage, your go-to channel for everything tough, tactical, and engineered for extreme performance. If it's armored, all-terrain, and military-grade, you'll find it right here. So hit that subscribe button and get ready for a jaw-dropping ride. Today, we bring you something absolutely massive. Officially unveiled in 2025, this is the world's biggest military truck, a true mechanical beast that redefines what military logistics and battlefield transport can look like in the modern age. This isn't just a truck. It's a fortress on wheels. And in this video, we're diving deep into everything that makes it the undisputed king of military mobility. Let's begin with the presence. Measuring over 40 feet in length and weighing nearly 50 tons fully loaded, this next-generation tactical truck is designed for long-range, multi-theater operations. Whether it's deployed in the Arctic cold, desert heat, or dense jungle terrain, this monster adapts and conquers. Under the hood, we've got a twin-turbocharged V12 diesel engine capable of delivering over 1,200 horsepower and a mind-blowing 5,000 Newton-meters of torque. That power drives an 8x8 independent suspension system, providing full-time traction, stability, and performance across sand, snow, rock, and even water crossings. This beast isn't just powerful, it's shockingly agile for its size. The exterior design is nothing short of intimidating. With an armored front grille, IR-deflecting camouflage panels, radar-absorbing paint, and bulletproof windows rated for Level 4 ballistic protection, it's built to take hits and keep rolling. A full drone defense module is embedded on the rooftop, along with satellite uplink domes and radar jammers to counter electronic threats on the battlefield. Climb inside, and it's a different world. The cockpit is a digital command center with a multi-screen battlefield interface, encrypted communication systems, and 360-degree thermal vision. It seats a crew of 4 in shock-resistant, mine-protected cabins equipped with air recirculation, CBRN filtration, and night operation readiness. The truck can haul over 40 tons of cargo, with options for modular armor containers, artillery platforms, troop transport pods, and even unmanned aerial vehicle launch stations. The cargo bed is fully hydraulic, with remote-operated crane arms and automated load management systems. One of the most advanced features is its hybrid electric backup drivetrain. When stealth is needed, the diesel shuts down and electric motors take over, allowing the vehicle to move silently for up to 60 kilometers, perfect for covert operations or ambush avoidance. The truck also features a fully integrated battlefield repair module, carrying its own tool suite, drone scanner, and mobile power unit. If something breaks down, this truck can self-diagnose and assist in its own repair, a first of its kind in its category. Fuel capacity allows for over 1,200 kilometers of operational range, with onboard